All right, we have four positive integers in order from largest to smallest. So A is the smallest, and then B and C and D. Taking them two at a time and adding each pair will result in 5 different sums. All right, here they are, 21, 23, 24, 25, and 27. What is the average of A, B, C, and D? All right, well, if you're going to find the average, what we would like to know is we would like to be able to add A, B, C, and D, and then just divide it by 4. That'll give us the average, right? So, but instead we have these 5 different pairs, or sums of pairs, okay? And probably the easiest thing to do is to recognize that, okay, if we take the two smallest numbers and add them together, we should get the smallest sum of any of the two pairs, right? So we know that A and B are the smallest, and if we add them together, whoops, we should get 21. All right, so A plus B is 21. And then we know if we took the two biggest numbers, which would be C and D, we should get the biggest sum. All right, this biggest sum of any of the pairs. So C plus D is equal to 27. Now, if we add both of those together, we will end up with A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 48. And hey, we would really like to know that, right? So if we plug that in up here, then the average is 48 over 4, which is 12. Okay? So there's your answer. And you might notice too that if we have 4 numbers and that we actually have 6 pairs, I can do a combination and say 4 choose 2 is equal to 4 times 3 over 2, which is 6. So what that means that we have 2 of the sums happen to be equal. Okay, and that's why we end up with 5 different sums. So that might have thrown you, but really that's kind of a distractor from the simplest way to do it, which is just to add the biggest and the smallest sum of the pairs and then divide by 4. So there you go.